Finally. Hey, coming through. Hello. See. Hello. Yes, Maria's long. So, where are we going today?
We are going to Sarator, right?
Yeah. Right. Right.
Sarator. So let's go and enjoy, guys.
Yeah, let's go and have fun today with Commercians.
Yes.
Yeah. See. Kari reti sai re.
Which side? What is this exact place?
Gina. Finally arrived. So finally we have reached our picnic spot today. There is Barak River. The bestest place here in Barak.
Then you stand aside. Here.
So, shout accountancy.
Joseph, come and sit here. Wait. What accountancy? Commerce B. You are accountancy department or what?
Yeah, seriously.
Go.
No.
Okay, but 12 commerce B. Shout no.
Okay, 12 commerce B.
Yeah. So.
One nice big commerce B. Everyone,
Wait.
12 commerce B.
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Habibi, welcome to.
Habibi.
Okay. Yeah, Habibi also. So, 1, 2, 3.
Some are shouting accountancy.
Avinash in charge of boy, telling others to steal squash for him and bring in.
Come on.
Thank you, sir, for coming.
Ay, 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 ay.
Kyo me to mana na to ba pa lam ban nang. Kyo.
Whatever you do, please be careful. Everything will be recorded.
Miso.
Wait, here, this one.
Here is the bridge. It makes a lot of noise when we cross. But I am not sure whether they built this or the British built this. So some other people are here as well for the picnic. They are there inside. I am waiting for my friends. Let's welcome them. They are coming there. I cannot say like there's more. There. They are coming. Let's wait from here and we'll see the entrance. Hear the noise of the bridge when they cross. See, even when I am working, see, hear the noise of the bridge. Griggy, kang. There they are. Aza. Wow! Woo! Wow! क्या बात है, क्या entrance है यार. So I came to pick them up. So we'll go from here. See you afterwards. Sangcha. Turn this side. Yes. Everyone is here finally. And these are the students.
Miss Catherine, Miss Esther, Sir Nanini, Miss Jenny, Sir Amja, Sir Gupta for coming and joining our class picnic. I'm really thankful to all of you for accompanying my class. And this one, thank you all for cooperating and joining the class picnic. Even though we planned in a very short period of time, but looking at all of your faces and looking at the food, I can a little bit assume that it is somehow okay. Pray for
for being with each and every one of us. Thank you so much, Lord, for your mercy, for your grace that you have bestowed upon each and every one of us. And also, Lord, come here.
Check out our plate. See, aloo fry.
I'll bring again.
Thank you.
guys are serving very well.
Revealing the face. Oh, what's going on here?
So everyone come and start taking.
So break down your dishes. Apple.
Paneer.
No, aloo fried with fish.
Paneer.
Paneer.
From Maram Kulen, this is
Maram kulen. Cabbage. Sinju.
dry fish.
Local fish.
Puffer. Iromba.
Dal. Chicken. Pork. Beef. Whoa! Let's enjoy. Yeah. Yeah. Yang gì? Ôi chị bây giờ tao không nổi. Ai, sao xì gô đó? Cha. Hi, say hi. Yeah, come on. We're gonna have our meal. Where's the meat? Where's the meat? Why only cabbage?
We went another round.
Oh, already over.
Last round, no fight. Us drinking like water,
Finish. So, where's the meat? Where's the meat and rice? Oh, this one is interesting.
Like Serna, this right one. I want to eat like food, but like the burn one. Seriously, I don't like it, sir.
The burn one.
Yeah. Come no, eat my type.
Good.
My grandmother is that
mấy tàu đó rồi, phẩm bảo đây đó mới đi. Come on.
Please give Goma to 5 marks extra.
5 marks extra. Ja, start.
Why William is looking like MLA minister?
How do I say?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Bro, you ring though.
After that, he jumped to music club.
only once again. You know, hold. One,
I don't drink one, but my name is Shivling.
Gimana video tu? Hopeless.
Hay giả tàu ra lệ. Oh, bang. Yes. Woo, let's go home. Let's go home.